Hi everyone, it's Rhonda, presenter with Younique, and I wanted to show you a really cool trick that I learned not too long ago on making my eyelashes just a little bit longer. And so I'm going to be using a curling mabobber. I can't think of the name of it, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, you know what it is. And then the mascara, the gel, and the fiber, and then also a blow dryer. So I'm going to show you how you can get some extra long lashes using these these four items. Okay, so here we go. First, I like to curl, eyelash curler. That's the name of it. I like to curl my eyelashes first. Okay, and I kind of give it a couple squeezes. And then using the gel, you're only going to do one eye at a time. Or I'm sorry, you're going to actually switch back and forth, but I did one eye already. But just for the video intent and purposes, I'm going to do one eye. And then your fibers. And then you're going to use your blow dryer on the high setting, but on cool, and blast them for like 20 seconds, okay? Now, the next thing I do is I curl my lashes again, which I know is a huge no-no, but it works for me. And I haven't had any breakage or anything like that. The serum that we have in the gel, I think, is actually protecting the lashes. And when I curl them again, it does not stick. So when I used to do this, my lashes would stick to the curling eyelash curler, and that doesn't happen. So I give it a couple more pumps, and then the gel again. Also, when you're blow drying your lashes, you're sealing in those fibers, so you're not putting them back into the gel, which can tend to dry out the gel. Okay, so another blow dry. Okay, and then I'm going to curl one more time. And then put on my last coat of gel. Okay, so you can see close up here, sorry, my eyelashes and how it's really given them some oomph from what they normally would look like, and just by using the blow dryer and eyelash curler. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.